Your lesson essential question is how do we identify the main topic and key details of a text? So again today we're going to be identifying the main topic. And remember we talked about yesterday that the main topic was what that text is all about. So like I said yesterday, I like to think of main topic like the top of a table. And then we'll identify those key details. So just like the legs of a table, key details support. So those key details are supporting the main topic. They're really explaining the main topic to us. So the main topic is what the text is all about, and the key details are the most important details that support the main topic. So what we'll do today is we'll read a text and then decide what the text is all about by identifying the main topic. Then we'll identify those key details that support the main topic by identifying the focus of each paragraph. Then we'll talk or write about the text by explaining the main topic and the details that support the main topic. Number 3 is actually what you're going to be doing tomorrow. So today we're just identifying that main topic and the key details. So this text is called Walking to the New World. Long ago, ice covered much of North America. At that time, a bridge of land connected Asia and North America. People walked over this strip of dry land into Alaska. They were following herds of animals. The people settled in different places. Some slowly went south. Over time, they made different nations in the Americas. Some scientists think people came to America even earlier. They think people reached the West Coast by boat. Ancient tools have been found there. These tools might show that people arrived before there was a land bridge. But people who study the past have not found much proof of this idea. These people were the first Americans. All Native Americans are related to them. Scientists discovered they first came from Asia. They split into many groups as they settled America. They made ways of life we are still learning about today. So, after reading this text, I'm starting to think, what was the main topic? What was it all about? Well, I know here we talked about how in paragraph 1 we talked about a bridge of land that people walked to America on. I know in paragraph 2 they mentioned coming to America by a boat. We talked about Americans, the first Americans being Native Americans. Thinking about it, it seems like the main topic, this text is all about how people first came to America. Now let's look at each paragraph and find the most important details that tell us about people first coming to America. I'm looking at paragraph 1. And it's talking about a bridge of land and people walking over the strip of land into Alaska. I think that's a good key detail. People walking over a strip of dry land into Alaska. That's a good key detail that supports how people first came to America. How did they come? Well, they walked over a strip of dry land. The rest of this paragraph tells me more about that. It says why they went there. They were following herds of animals. It says what they did when they got there. They settled in different places. They went south. They made different nations. These are all extra details that make the text more interesting. I'm looking at paragraph 2 now. And I see that some scientists think people reached the West Coast by boat. So, key detail 1, one way they came to America by walking on dry land. 2, by boat. Looking at the rest of the details in this paragraph, I see that they've found tolls there, which kind of proves that maybe they did take a boat before the land bridge. So these are extra details that support this key detail and just explain the key detail even more. Your job is to dig into paragraph 3, and you're going to be identifying this last key detail in your discussion post today.